I have here two cases from Tudia for the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Now I want to give a special shout out to Tudia for sending me these cases for review. So let's dive right in. This one is the Tudia Merge case for the S9 Plus, and this one is the Tudia Arch S. So let's go ahead and check these out. Start out with this one first. And what do we get inside the packaging? We have this card, put that to the side, and this is the case itself. Now this one is just your simple black TPU case, not a two-part case, just all TPU, all blacked out, nice and simple. Large cutout here for your cameras, fingerprint scanner, and flash. Raise buttons, raise button, a little bit of Tudia branding down here, and then we have a pattern here, a ridge pattern to improve grip, cutouts, cutout for the mic, and there's nothing on the inside, no pattern or anything. Nice and simple case for your S9 Plus here. So we'll go ahead and put the S9 Plus in and check it out. Nice and easy installation. And from the front, the case is black, so this blends in perfectly with your black front of the S9 Plus. Flip it over in the back and it's gonna look like this. Nice and simple matte black case here. Nothing super fancy, straight to the point. You do have a little bit of a design here on the bottom. So you can see this little line right here. So let the light hit it a little bit. You can see that. Other than that, not much going on back here. Nice and simple, straight to the point. Okay, let's check out access to the fingerprint scanner. Nice and wide open, works as it should. Power button. Ooh, nice and tactile power button here. Very nice, and you can hear that. Cool. Volume, nice and clicky as well. Not a problem. And of course, gotta check out Bixby. That button works, but I'm gonna get out of it because nobody cares about Bixby anyway. Now my S9 Plus does have a tempered glass screen protector, and this case works well with that. No lifting of the protector or anything. Checking out the front lip real fast. You have a little bit of a raise. So you put this phone flat on the table with this case on. Your glass or tempered glass will not touch the surface. Cutouts on the bottom here on point. Same thing with the top, not a problem. This feels really good in the hand. The pattern here on the side really helped with grip. Nice and grippy. So this is the Tudia Arch S for the Galaxy S9 Plus. On to the next case. This one is the Tudia Merge case for the S9 Plus. Here's the packaging, nothing too fancy. And let's see what we get inside. Another fake S9, put that to the side, and here we go. Now on this one, you do get a pattern on the inside. Let the light hit it, so you can see, and it says right there, Tudia Merge. Now this one is a two-part case. Hard shell and a TPU case. On the back here, you have your massive cutout for your dual cameras, fingerprint scanner, and your flash, and your fingerprint, and your heart rate sensor. Tudia branding here on this part of the case. Nothing too extreme. And you have a little bit of a design here on the bottom. That line's a little bit glossy. Very similar design also on the other case, the Arch S, you can see. There you go. Bottom of the case, cutouts, raise buttons, cutout for your mic, raise button for power. The sides here have a pattern to help with grip. So let's go ahead and put the device in the case and let's check it out. The phone slides right in from the front. I like the black border of the case, blends in with the black front of the S9 Plus, flipping it over in the back, and it's gonna look like that. Check out the cutouts on the bottom. Perfect, no issues. And on top, cutout for the mic. There you go, as you can see. Perfect, cutout for the camera, fingerprint scanner, and your flash. Go ahead and check out the fingerprint scanner right now, and it works, not an issue. Power button is nice and clicky. Okay, no issues with a power volume rocker. Nice and clicky also. No issues with that. And the Bixby button, that works, but I'm gonna get out of it because nobody cares about Bixby anyway. Checking out the front lip of the device, of the case. You get a little bit of a front lip here. So you put this down at the table, the glass or the tempered glass will not touch the surface. The feel in the hand feels really good. The ridges on the side, along with the coating of the hard shell back here, is nice and grippy. Overall, very nice case from Tudia. Can't go wrong with this. If you're interested in these two, I'll go ahead and put links down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Checking out the front lip